Hey guys, today is actually my last day in my room, but I still haven't packed. But before I pack, I really wanted to film like a room tour. So that's how I enter my room, right? And this is the bathroom. And there is one empty room, and I just have my luggages out the door. It looks like this. This is all I brought from Korea. And next to that, I have my extra snacks and water that I bought with my dining dollars because I had to spend it away. And then next to that, I have a half kitchen, like a mini fridge. And here, it's messy, like trash bags and all the good stuff. I have a kettle and a hot pot, also a burner filter, and I got this mug that I used throughout the entire semester from Target. I have hand soap, dish soap, and I actually brush my teeth here. I have my own pantry. That's the whole kitchen set I have. And then I have to this is kind of overview of my room. Starting from the right, I have two wardrobes, and this is a sliding door. I have my t-shirts up here. Yeah, I fold them really nicely. Not for the video, for me, like in general, but I have a mirror here. I slide like this, and then now I have racks. So I hang my clothes, like nicer clothes. I brought my hangers from Korea, and that really saved my life. And then next to that, I have my bed where I sleep. Next to that,
I have backup tissue, I have my supplements and vitamin C, mouthwash, I have two hand sanitizers, I have my lotions here, I have my face lotions here, and I have my AirPod here, my accessory lip balm, also face lotion, body lotion, and Vaseline.
I actually cleaned this part for the video. And I have a taser that I never carried out and never used. But I also have a mace spray, also called pepper spray. This one I did carry outside for safety. Never used it. I'm glad. And then right here you can see Macy's. And next to the wall, big window where I can see everything. I mean, the same view, but I made this as my vanity. I did bring this from Korea, and I did reuse these coffee cups so I can store my makeup tools in here. Makeup bags. I have my lip balm. I only brought two perfumes, and I have my lip products. This is all I brought from Korea. I didn't buy any makeup as well in America. I don't really tend to buy makeup that much. And then down here, I have more drawers, cleaning stuff and toilet paper, my masks, more masks that I didn't really get to use because I didn't go out much. And then next to it, finally, I have my desk.
Eating, studying, just editing, sitting down, reading, meditating, blah, 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 everything I did here.
Turn on the light just with a sensor. I brought this cushion from Korea. I have my laptop, and this is so cool. They have like charging station here. I have my kind of textbooks. And then here, I have another drawer. I brought all of these from Korea except for these composition notebooks. I also reused the cup ramen. This is it. Guys, this is my entire room tour. I told you guys it's really nothing, but I'm just glad I got to spend my first semester of my senior year in New York City. I'm so happy. I have no regrets. I love this room. The noise, I didn't care. The brightness, I didn't care because I'm not that sensitive when I sleep. Yeah, I had so much fun. I had so many memories here. I spent so much time for myself and by myself. So I'm in my other room where I actually quarantined. So this was the room that I quarantined. It's very small, but it's actually really quiet because it's like the back of the building. So if you can see the view, it's like that. So it's so quiet and peaceful in this room, but yeah, I slept on this bed while I was quarantining. That was 4 months ago. Wow. And this room has 2 bathrooms. This is the bathroom where I shower. I just got on my lift and I'm on my way to my vaccination appointment. I just arrived at the Javits Center for my second one. I feel good. I feel very good. I'm gonna miss this place too. It saved my life. Yay! That's the Javits Center, and then New Jersey on the other side, and 34th Street, 11th Avenue. Oh wow, that's so pretty. That's the Empire State Building right there. Just wanted to take a quick photo. Oops. Yay! Fully vaccinated! I'm so happy. Ah, look at the gorilla! Oh my god! What? My last breakfast. It was actually my first time getting it. Ooh, it looks very good. The food and the view. Let's dig in. Zero. Wow. Can I get another bag? Yeah. I made my final purchase at the dining hall. 3 cookies, 2 chips, 4 drinks, and hash brown.
Seventh floor.
Later, moments later.
It's my last time getting ready here. I'm so sad. My last outfit of the day. in my dorm. I'm wearing like a crop top, skirt, boots, and my denim jacket. Sheesh! You're really lame. Do you have the ticket? Yeah. Like ghost house. Dude, it looks so... Oh my gosh. It's okay. Last time walking on this street. So many people though. It's really bright.
I haven't been in Times Square in a long time.
It's a city that never sleeps. Whoa.
The next morning.
What? Like what? Free food. Is this yours? The plain made cake with.
Wow.
The lox scallion. I love Santa. Bye bye. See you never. Ah, heaven. Jolly, jolly.
Did you get spicy?
Hmm?